whipping it, man.
So one more shot?
Hell yeah.
Yeah, you got it. I've never drifted a Subaru before.
Alright guys, so we're at the fucking famous spot again. Fucking another 1 in the morning episode. But we got a rear-wheel drive Subaru. And I'm just gonna let you see what the fuck it does, because I have no clue. We're gonna find out right now. Yeah, none of them have drifted the car yet, so we're just gonna find out right now how it does.
It's gonna be loud as shit too.
Yeah. We should be okay. Jeez, it seems kind of fast. It seemed like it started to pick up like crazy.
It's really foggy.
I really wasn't not tuned or something. Jesus! It sounds awesome. Jesus. Yeah, that thing's loud. Alright guys, so they're giving me a chance to drift in the Subaru. I don't know how this is gonna go, but it should be pretty sweet. So I'm gonna give it a shot. Alright guys, so going for a ride in a rear-wheel drive Subaru. No, I did not just grind to gears, it's a synchro. Alright, let's try this. $6.
Do you think it handles like a 240 one or no?
Nah, not as good.
Fucking whipping that shit.
Hey, I lose power, so I'm gonna do like little clutch kick. Is that alright? I'll take it easy.
Yeah, you
Just do it like a real smooth one.
Yeah, remember you gotta stop all the way for that first. That synchro.
Oh, you gotta stop all the way?
Yeah, it sucks.
That was,
Yeah,
dude, you were
killing it.
whipping it, man.
So one more shot?
Hell yeah.
Yeah, you got it.
I've never drifted a Subaru before.
Woke me up.
I'm sorry.
I met you before. Hi.
Yeah, at the Laurel meet.
Alright, I'm gonna give you guys your turns, but that was fucking sick. First time ever even driving a fucking Subaru. We're gonna, whoever's going next. Let me see. I don't know. That shit was fun. I want to drive my car now.
You were killing it.
Fuck yeah.
It felt weird. I can't see anything. The fucking dash is huge, and then the cob thing kept getting in my way. I'm like, fucking. Well, guys, that was fun, but I woke my girlfriend up. She was sleeping in the 240, but that was fun. That was good for the first time I ever drifting this thing. I did pretty good.
Fuck yeah.
I had fun. It was loud as fuck though. I'll do one run in the.
Yeah, it was.
I'll do one run in the 240 for him. I don't have much tires left because all the drifting I've been doing, but let me kill it for you guys real quick.
spare tires, so he better chill. That's it. Hard.
Stop drifting. I went in there and kept going.
I heard.
Hard parking.
You need to come out to like the fucking event.
Nah,
Like, I
street
swear,
drifts for
son.
days. Street drift.
Look at that hard part.
Huh?
Look at that hard
I
part.
actually tried to do that. I mean, I wasn't trying to park perfectly there.
That was
but-
still pretty skilled though.
Oh my
Nah,
God.
people say you can't learn in the streets, but you can.
Oh,
Never been to a track a day in my life.
I learned it on the Open Diffie 36, man.
Yeah. All right, I want to see the Subaru drift more. That was fun. All right, guys, so did pretty good. That was pretty fun. My tires are about to pop. I can hear the threads, but
Yeah, I saw sparks coming out from behind your tires.
All right, so Aaron's gonna give it one last shot in the Subaru. Clouds. Oh. I've never used the e-brake before. I want a hydro.
I just thought you didn't have any.
Huh?
Did you hear it?
No.
After I went backwards, I was just like, fuck it, I'm staying floored. You got it, just give it more throttle when it starts to straighten out.
It sounds so fucking nasty.
Doesn't it?
Yeah.
The external wastegate just sounds amazing.
Just that turbo, man, it's so damn big. Jesus. Oh, well.
It's alright, you just gotta build your confidence.
That's crazy.
I'm just trying to keep it like just a nice steady circle.
Last run around a pole. Come on, Lima Bean. It's fucking freezing out here. Don't hit me.
Or me.
I got you.
Okay.
Fuck, I can't turn. Jesus. This is scary.
Gang shit, boy.
Your ringland's good. Check his ringlands. It sounds like a Subaru.
Smells like a Subaru.
Uh-oh. He doesn't even own it, so we don't know. This
Nah,
is a
it's not mine.
fanboy.
Oh my.
Yeah. Yeah, it started.
We're gonna end with a banger.
fucking
Bruh.
stinks in here.
Oh, it looks like it.
All right, well, no, actually, that was a little so much smoke. It's time to get out of here.
Hey man, are you vaping in there?
You look like a Subaru driver.
That was awesome.
The real Subaru driver.
Dude, you're fucking, you had a nice little fireball. Pretty nice one, yeah.
Oh, I got it too when you came
Show
around
them
the
the
front.
white van that they always comment. It's still here. I don't know, so many people just like the white van here.
Yeah, I know. Everyone's always like, this is real garage sideways shit. Yeah,
Oh my god! I thought his tires about to fucking explode. Let's get the fuck out of here. Holy shit! My car is so fucking hot I had to turn it off. Dude, you fucking shot the biggest fucking flame.
A huge fireball, dude. You
It
got.
fucking lit.
You should
everything
open
up.
your hood. I bet you your fucking exhaust manifold is glowing.
My car is so hot. Dude, I thought your shit was about to fucking blow the tire.
Oh my god! Look at that! Oh my
All right, hang on,
god!
let's shut that. We didn't see that. We're gonna edit that part out. We're going home.
Oh my god!
Here.
Here, let's look.
Oh yeah, how bad are they?
that needs to be the end.
Oh, there's metal throwing.
Here, look at this.
All right, guys, we're done. Yeah.
Look at this. This,
We're out.
this needs to be
Yeah.
the new end. This is our favorite blanket.
All right, guys, so thanks for watching this episode. That was pretty crazy. I can't believe this guy let me drift his dope-ass fucking rear-wheel drive Subaru. Definitely catch you in the next video. I don't know if we're going to have another night drift at 1 a.m. tomorrow,
No,
but
we're not.
we might.
We're not.
We might.
Don't expect it.
If I get 400
Steven?
likes, we'll have another video. You better
No.
like this video. Like this
Negative.
video.
Don't you do it?
Catch you in the next video.
You
Like
better
it.
not like it.